County in north-central Texas, northeastern Collin County in north-central Texas, southeastern Grayson County in north-central Texas, southwestern Fannin County in north-central Texas,
until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located near Emmett, or 16 miles northeast of McKinney, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near White Tribe around 5:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Leonard and Bailey around 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Melissa, Westminster, Blue Ridge, and Trenton. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning can kill. Heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.